In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful, I am Zubair Khan and you are watching my vlog. Elon Musk interference in German politics, today's program theme. It is often said that the human desire for more is insatiable and is only subdued by the grave's soil. Until then, curbing this desire is nearly impossible. According to the Bloomberg Billionaires Index, Elon Musk, the American billionaire with a net worth of $486 billion, remains the world's wealthiest person as of December 2024. His wealth continues to grow by each day. However, it seems that Elon Musk has recently begun to realize that money alone is not enough to influence the world's key affairs. Power and authority are also necessary for that. Although it does not appear that Musk will gain direct authority or power anytime soon, there is a type of power known as referential power, which is derived from relationship with influential and authoritative individuals. It seems that Elon Musk is currently leveraging this referential power, which he has possibly acquired through his relationship with designate US President Donald Trump. Musk is now planning to use a portion of this power strategically in Germany. His first move was made via his platform X, which he owns. He stirred up the pot by claiming that only the AfD, Alternative for Germany, is capable of saving Germany at the moment. Given that Musk has 51 million followers, any of his messages can create a significant impact. In Germany, this message sent ripples through the political landscape, and the German president even addressed it in his electoral speeches, urging the German public and political elite to pay attention. This was discussed in a program on this channel 2 days ago. Now, over the weekend, Musk has taken this interference a step further by publishing an op-ed in German newspaper the Welt on Sonntag. This publication was facilitated by Mathias, a media mogul and Trump admirer in Germany. In this article, Musk tried to convince the German people that the negative portrayal of the AfD as an extreme right-wing party is incorrect. According to Musk, the party's manifesto is based on pragmatic points rooted in ground realities that could help Germany resolve its issues immediately. Musk also argued that comparing AfD leader Alice Weidel to Hitler is also baseless. He pointed out that Weidel's life partner, Sarah Bossard, is of Sri Lankan origin and identifies as the same gender, currently working as a film producer in Switzerland. Musk questioned how someone with such personal relationship could be compared to Hitler. After this article publication, Eva Maria, the editor of the newspaper's opinion section, she resigned in protest against the decision to publish Musk's op-ed. Alongside the article, Musk dropped another bombshell, announcing a live Twitter space with Alice Weidel to discuss these matters directly with the German public so they could see and hear everything for themselves. Instead of crafting a suitable and measured response to Musk interference, Germany's political elite, government, media, and other institutions seems to have gone into panic mode. Their aggressive reactions have inadvertently amplified Musk's cleverly orchestrated political maneuvers. So the German nation has to pay attention to this aspect and have to evolve and then adopt some suitable measure to reply to these intelligent maneuvers of the Elon Musk.